Hey everybody, Shakira, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to start this recipe. We're going to be making mung bean salad. This can be a side dish or it can be your main dish. We're going to start by mincing our garlic and our ginger. Next, we're going to slice our shallot as small as we can get it. So nice chops like this. Now, if you wanted to mince it like we did the garlic and the ginger, that's totally up to you. We are also going to add a little bit of red onion. If you are not an onion fan or a shallot fan, go ahead and omit this step, but I happen to really love onions and shallots and garlic, so the more the merrier. We are going to use 1 bag of mung bean sprouts and go ahead and put this in a large mixing bowl with the other ingredients so that we can start to add our wet ingredients. I'm using 2 key limes here. We'll go ahead and juice the key limes right into the bowl. And then now we're gonna add the rice vinegar. We are gonna add some organic tamari, which is like a soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil. We are gonna add some agave to balance all of that pungent flavor as well, make it spicy. You can omit this, but I love spicy everything. So this is organic red pepper flakes, the Korean style organic red pepper flakes. And I'm adding some extra shredded carrot that I had laying around. And from here, we are going to just toss. And this is pretty much it for the wet ingredients. And the name of the game with everything that you prepare is going to be tasting as you go along. You want to taste your creation to see if you need to add a little bit of this or a little bit of that. And I toasted a very generous amount of sesame seeds because I want this to be like, you know, crunchy. We want all of the different textures to marry, and this makes it so much more interesting. It makes healthy eating interesting, right? So I added a little more agave, a little more rice vinegar, and now we are going to add some nori to make this easy. Don't try to chop it like I did at first. Just take your kitchen scissors and take it to the rolled up seaweed and put it into, and chop it up, slice it up, cut it up, whatever. And you're gonna wanna toss that in with your mixture. Next, I'm adding some more onions. I just love green onions, they're so good for you. I mean, I don't really have to explain all of the health benefits, but I will. I will explain how healthy this meal is for you. It's got a lot of organic compounds, the allicin from the garlic. This is completely like an anti-inflammatory, low calorie food. You have your carrots, you have your crunch, you have your seaweed, and I'm gonna list everything because it's really too much to type out to talk about. And this is what you get after you combine everything and you put it in the refrigerator. I did overnight. The longer you let it sit and marry, the better, the more flavorful. So to make this even more delicious, I have this ripe avocado, healthy fats, always amazing to add a healthy fat to a dish like this that has really, it's delicious and it's good for you, but it's like medicinal. So this is how we get you know, food is medicine type vibe, because everything that we are eating here is good for you. It's good for your gut, it's good for digestion, it's good for anti-aging, it's good for your waistline, because this is not going, you know, this is a simple recipe. We don't have a whole bunch of junk, a whole bunch of sauce and all of this stuff with extra ingredients. You got to see everything that I put into this recipe. Wholesome, healthy, gonna fill you up, and a versatile dish. Thank you for watching.